Nagpapasalamat sa Diyos ngayon ang actress-influencer na si Nery Naig Miranda dahil naglabas na ng hatol ang Pasay Regional Trial Court Branch 112 hinggil sa kasong syndicated estafa na kinahaharap niya kung saan dinismiss na ito ng korte. Nadamay si Nery Naig sa demanda ng mga investors na nabiktima ng Dermacare investment scam dahil naging endorser siya ng kumpanya. Noong nakaraang taon ay ikinulong si Nery Naig subalit nakalaya ito sa tulong ng kanyang mga abogado matapos sila mag-file ng petisyon sa korte. Ayon sa desisyon ng Pasay City Regional Trial Court ngayong araw,
Pasay City Courts dismiss all cases against Nery Miranda. The Regional Trial Court of Pasay City has dismissed all pending cases against Neriza Nery Miranda related to the Dermacare Beyond the Skincare Solutions scheme. In a copy of order dated February 12, 2025, and obtained just yesterday, Branch 112 of RTC Pasay City ordered the dismissal of the syndicated estafa complaint against Miranda upon motion of the Office of the City Prosecutor of Pasay City, which found no probable cause to indict Miranda upon investigation sought by her legal counsel. In describing the insufficiency of the criminal complaint filed against Miranda, Acting Presiding Judge Ronald August L. Tan said in the order, "Glaringly, the boggling is that private complainants never asserted having personally transacted with or handed over money to Miranda. Therefore, the evidence presented indeed failed to establish that Miranda committed the crime of estafa, more so, syndicated estafa." In an earlier order dated January 20, 2025, Acting Presiding Judge Gina M. Babat Palamos of RTC Pasay Branch 111 also directed the dismissal of the complaints filed against Miranda for violation of Securities Regulation Code Republic Act No. 8799. We thank the courts for clearing the name of Nery Miranda, who has unmistakably been falsely accused of wrongdoing in the Dermacare case. We hope that this issue will be put to rest as regards to Nery, so that instrumentalities of the law can focus on bringing the true perpetrators of the Dermacare scam to justice, said Attorney Aureli Sinswat, legal counsel of Nery Miranda.
Kaugnay nito, nagpasalamat si Chito Miranda sa Diyos dahil sa pagkakadismiss ng lahat ng kaso ng kanyang asawa na si Nery Naig. Thank you, Lord. Mabuti na lang talaga na alam ni Lord ang buong katotohanan, kaya never niya pinabayaan si Nery. Sobrang blessed din kami dahil the people who matter knew the truth as well and did everything they could to help and support her. We are so thankful that she was eventually given the chance to defend herself and her side of the story. Maraming salamat po. Nery is such a kind and trustworthy person and those who know her know that. Alam din ng lahat na sobrang hardworking niya. Ang problema lang talaga minsan ay masyado siyang mabait at matulungin kaya madalas siyang naaabuso at napapahamak. Pero kahit ganon, sobrang proud ako because Nery would always choose to be kind and fair. No matter how mean and unfair the world is and kahit ano ang ibato sa kanya ng mundo, her integrity at ang kanyang mabuting pagkatao will always be intact. To those who chose to stand up and defend my wife, maraming salamat talaga. Hinihikayat naman ngayon ng mga netizens na sampahan ng kaso ni Nery Miranda ang mga nagpakulong sa kanya dahil sa mga walang basehang kasong isinampa laban sa kanya. Sana raw ay mag-file din ng countersuit si Nery laban sa mga complainant na nagpakulong sa kanya dahil hindi raw biro ang ginawa ng mga ito sa kanya. Anong say mo dito?